have this Pickproof lock. Alright. Hardened pins prevents drilling. Wow, the key card provides maximum security. Wow, doesn't that look impressive? Says right here, Pickproof, so that's a sure sign that it is. It comes with all these keys, also declaring that it is in fact Pickproof. I mean, by the way, this website, pickproof.com, doesn't seem to work, so I'm suspicious that that company didn't last long, if it ever even really existed. Well, it must have existed to some degree. They made these locks. Here we go. So maybe not quite as Pickproof as they might have us believe. Let's see what's in this guy. I think it's probably just a bunch of standards. I feel like I'm gonna skip this screw. It's gonna be one of those. It's harder to gut than it is to pick. I suppose we ought to shim this guy. Just in case. Pin and pin, alright. Definitely have that going for them. Okay. Looks like shimming was not necessary. And I'm putting it back together easier. Alright, let's see what we got up top. Standard, but it is pin and pin. I could tell it was pin and pin. You know, you had to pick both the outers and the inners, but standard, 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 and standard. Alright, so it's basically a boastful canard pin and pin dimple lock. Actually, it uses the same keyway. If I look at, say, this canard there, it doesn't work, but it's the same keyway. Get a closer look at those guys, and there it is.